This kanji have the reading of kunyomi. Onyomi is ketsu. Ketsu. The kunyomi kimeru. Kimeru. The kanji of ketsu is mean design, fix, agree upon, appoint. But what you have to remember for this kanji is just design. Design. So when you want to do something, you have to make decision, right? So this kanji had a meaning of design or appointment. Keshite. Keshite. Keshite is mean never, by no means, or not in the least, in no way. Never, by no means, not in the least, in no way. Hanketsu. Hanketsu. Hanketsu is mean injudicial decision. Jumen. Jumen. Judicial decision. Kaketsu. Kaketsu. Kaketsu is mean approval, adoption of a motion bill passage. Approval, adoption. Kimeru. Kimeru is mean design, choose, determine, make up one's mind, to resolve. Nani o kimeta desu ka? Which means, what did you decide to do? Or what did you choose? Something like this. Kimaru. Kimaru is mean be decided or be settled. Kimaru, be decided or be settled. Kimari. Kimari is mean settlement, conclusion, and agreement. Kimari is the noun. Kimaru and kimeru is the verb. So when you change to be noun, you just change to the mas form. Kimarimasu. Kimari. Kimari is mean conclusion on what you already decide.